Some additional information about my partner said usual companies may face several obstacles when applying for or obtaining temporary registration. In that sense, the companies that obtain temporary the degree of importance they give to some obstacles associated with obtaining this type of records. During the period 2017 to 2018, the obstacles that obtained the greatest frequency of response in the degree of high importance were excessive processing time and main principle about the train makers. For registering train makers is very difficult for organizations or business. It's increment this increment the excessive processing time. Thank you for